Hey YouTube world, how are you over there? I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do to help when your pipes are going to freeze and the water's cold and you're worried about your spigot outside. I'm going to show you, Joe, can you quit bouncing the ball? I'm going to show you how to use some things in case of your hardware store or your Walmart sells out of those spigot protectors, the spigot insulators, and things like that. The first thing you can use is some styrofoam cups, big ones, or a coffee can you could potentially use. I just used the coffee can outside. It worked pretty good. I'm going to show you how to do this simply with some simple stuff. First thing you're going to do is take your coffee can or coffee cup or something like that. I would use a couple of these, double up, be extra careful, be protective. I'm going to use one for the sake of doing it easily and showing you easily. I'm going to do this. I just poked a hole in there. That wasn't a perfect hole. I wouldn't be satisfied if that was mine, but it's not mine. So I'll do it. Well, I'll do another one. Bam. Put a little hole in there. You see that hole? Good. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take some rubber bands. I got 3 right here. That works okay. I'm going to take 3. I'm going to loop them just like this. I'm going to take them here and do this just like that. You know how to do that? If you do, that's great. If you don't, practice. Otherwise your pipes will freeze and you'll have to call a plumber out there and it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars probably. So we're going to take that and we're going to push it down in here into the hole of the cup. You pull it all, well, you can pull it all the way through. See, I got some piece hanging out here. And can you see in there, Lainey? That's my daughter filming. She loves to film, make videos on YouTube about household appliances and stuff. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take a paper clip, because sometimes that knot's not gonna hold it on, especially if you got a coffee can. You're gonna really have to pop it down through there with that screwdriver. So right there, I'm going to take that, I'm going to use a paper clip, and I'm going to do the same type of thing with the paper clip. I'm going to put the paper clip on there, and that's going to prevent my thing from pulling all the way through. See that? It works as a stop. Works as a stop. So I'm going to go outside, and I'm going to put this on the house. All right? Now come on. I'm going to show you how I do this. Come on, lady. You gonna go up? Oh, you stepped on the dang dog. You gonna kill the dog? Oh, lady, that is so not funny. All right, it's freezing outside and you got no shoes on. Just give me the video thing. All right, so I'm gonna take this. I had to take the phone from my daughter because she has no shoes on. Now that's what I got right here. That's what I did on that thing right there. I made that can and I stuck it on the wall. So I'm gonna use this one that we got. See? Oh, I didn't tell you I stuck some plastic bags, just regular plastic bags from Walmart, because that serves as an insulator. And it serves as an insulator. See that down in there? I just put some plastic bags in. So, oh, this is my son, and he's 6, and he's gonna stick it on there. You ready? Go ahead. Don't pull it too hard. Hold on. You film. You film my hands. Nobody wants to see my face and my fancy new mustache that I got. Got it for Christmas. Brand new mustache. So I take this, you get in my hands, and I just stick it on like this. See, now this one doesn't fit the spigot. That's why I use this coffee can. But what you're going to want to use is something like this coffee can. I took this thing, but you understand the concept. And I stick it on just like that, and it sticks to it. I pull this, you get in my hand, Sam, pull that down, bam, it sticks. I got some plastic bag I want to stick on there to have a little more insulation. I know there's people out there laughing at this because this ain't even seem right, but this is how we do it. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. Right there, bam. Now I got something like that. If you're afraid it ain't gonna work right and it's gonna not stick right, you take a little stick or something and you just lean it on there so it won't fall over. All right, that's the masterpiece right there. Say hi, fam.
Hi.
All right, and that's how it goes. If you want to come by my house and you can't tell which house it is, We're the house that has these little Christmas tree things out, and we got coffee cans stuck to the side of the wall. All right, y'all have a great one. Bye.